Good morning, YouTube. Merry Christmas. It's the Ceiling Fan Man. What I got for Christmas this year is the most efficient fan of 2012. It's an Emerson Luxe Eco. It shows that the finish is brushed nickel with, I think, walnut blades, but mine is in bronze with mahogany blades. So the story behind this fan is kind of simple. I got this off eBay last week for only $75 off a warehouse. It seemed like they have a surplus in stock, and you know, I decided, hey, I really wanted one. Why not get one? So, without further ado, let's get unboxing. Alright, so opening this up, first impressions, I mean, this really is nice. This is essentially an Emerson Casablanca Stealth, but Emerson. Always been more of a fan of this one anyway. What do we have here? Shipping label. Alright, so removing this first piece of styrofoam, we have our instructions, we have the cap, mounting bracket, mounting material. I think here are the blades, but I'm just going to be sure. They're wrapped in this because it's supposed to be pretty delicate, but yep, it's the blades. Here's how they look. Very, very unique. They have a really nice design to them. They have like an indentation in the middle, which I think is really cool. Put them back. All right. And there's the main motor assembly and light. Oh yeah, and it's LED too. Now this is my first Emerson that I've owned. I'm not exactly sure how to check the date on that, but I'll let you know. Anyways, here's the assembly. Oops. See if we can find any. What's this? No, I guess it's just packing material. So, let's see. Here's the tag on top. Let me know if you can help decode this for me and find any information as to when it was made, because as of right now, I've had no experience with Emersons until now. I don't know when it was made, but overall, really nice purchase, and I'm really grateful to have this fan. And I'll be putting it up in January. Alright, so in here, I'm more of a remote control person, so this comes as a little bit of a disappointment. But this is the wall control that I was provided with. It's a 6-speed DC. It's really nice looking. But I would have preferred, I think it's called the SR220 remote. I'm not exact, again, my Emerson knowledge is a little bit limited. I promise I'll get better. Oh, and they gave me 2 variations of how I want to put that together. And anything else I want to show you? Yeah. I think I showed you this before. I may not have, but here's the light. It's an LED. I'm not sure if it was this or the Midway, but one of them sold them with 40-watt bulbs. So, yeah. Yeah, and once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around when I put this up in January.